Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John, Big John's Bully House. The available male, Kong times Saint. I will show you, I'll show you pictures of Kong in this video, and I'll show you pictures of Gotti, which is his grandfather, and I'll show pictures of Hooch as well. That way you can see some lineage behind this boy, man, and the monsters that he comes from. Show you guys the size of that boy already, man. Size of his bone. So that'd be damn near 3 fingers. Front bone, damn near 3 fingers. He's developing good. Nice straight tail. No kinks. Nice bite. This boy is available. Again, I will show pictures in this video. Show you Kong, if you don't know who he is. Show you Gotti, the grandfather, and Hooch, the great-grandfather. If you guys are interested, 815-632-9073. Puppies are coming up to date on shots, dewormings, ABKC paperwork in hand. He is light black and white, man. Boy's a monster. Want to give a huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old, like, shares, comments, followers, all the love that we get, continue to get, man. As always, take care. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, man. Keep rocking with us.